name is Vengeyi from Lawayo, Zimbabwe. And we here is Mazviitaishe father, my daughter, who is 5 years old. She was diagnosed with a heart condition since birth. In Zimbabwe, we were trying to look for treatment, but we couldn't find because they were telling us their condition was severe, so they could not manage. So it was not only again in Zimbabwe where we failed to find treatment, but also from the Italian doctors, we failed to find a treatment for it because they were saying the hypertension was too high, so they could not manage. That is the reason why we opted for India. When they said they could operate here, they could manage the hypertension, and also as compared to other countries like South Africa, the operation cost is actually lower as compared to South Africa. So that is the reason why we came here to India. One, because the costs were very low, and also they said they were able to manage the condition despite having a severe hypertension. Treatment was smooth. I didn't encounter any challenges. Everything was okay. The doctors, the nurses were just doing their job as expected. So I can't say I have a complaint or a challenge. Everything was okay. Yes, I'm very happy about the outcome. Actually, the doctor, when he spoke about the success of the operation, he wanted me to smile, but I couldn't smile because I was so happy. So the outcome of the process was really an excitement to us because everyone, or even including my relatives in Zimbabwe, they were just expecting that maybe the operation is going to be okay. So we are now happy that Mazviita is okay, and the doctor said in the future she might not need any other operation. So we are really grateful and thankful to God for the success of the operation. TreatmentPossible assisted me in finding transport from the Mumbai International Airport to Fortis Hospital. Then they also helped me in securing a line for making phone calls, and also they helped me again in securing accommodation. That is, after the treatment at Fortis, we were supposed to stay for some days while we were doing the checkups, so they really assisted me in those areas. And also even groceries, they were making orders for me because I didn't know much of the places here, so it was also a bit of a challenge for me to go out there, so they really assisted me.